The US Chief of Naval Operations, Michael Gilday, is in New Delhi for a 5-day visit. He held talks with Indian Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh. Officials representing both sides' navies exchanged crucial information on regional security and conducting exercising at sea together. In a statement, Admiral Gilday thanked his Indian counterpart for hosting him and also said that the US is committed to operationalize US-India defense partnership. This comes after the US Naval Chief was greeted with a Guard of Honor at a ceremony held in the Indian capital. He also laid a wreath at the War Memorial in Delhi, following which he also signed the visitor's book. Before leaving Arlington, the US Naval Chief made a statement to kickstart his state visit. He said, and I quote, "Make no mistake, India is one of our closest strategic partners and our relationship is a stronghold of a free and open Indo-Pacific," he further said. "No doubt there are many areas where we can partner and collaborate." The visit of the US Navy Chief comes at a crucial moment. Quad nations are about to participate in the Malabar naval exercises in the Bay of Bengal. The state visit is being hailed as one of India and the US's highest points in their strategic partnership. Remember, this is also happening in the backdrop of the controversial AUKUS deal. So the meeting is expected to unfold with the eye of China. Our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, sent us this report from New Delhi earlier with more details. Take a look.
The Chief of US Navy Operations is here in Delhi. He was given Guard of Honor here in front of the Indian Defense Ministry. But essentially this visit comes at a time when we have seen increased Chinese aggressiveness in the region. Not just the Himalayas, not just the South China Sea, but also increased Chinese presence in the Indian Ocean region. But also above and all, there has been increased engagement between the US side and the Indian side when it comes to defense. We know that this week we'll see the second phase of the Malabar exercises. Other than that, we know that the Indian Defense Secretary, the Indian Navy Chief was in United States, the CDS as well, and there has been interaction between the two defense forces. And earlier we have seen PASEX exercises amidst Chinese aggressiveness, and the message is simple and straight that while there are countries in the region like China, of course, which have been trying to question the rules-based order, democratic countries, like-minded countries like the United States and India, along with Japan and Australia, are coming together to give a strong resistance to forces which are trying to disrupt the current global world order. With video journalist Chandrasekhar, Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.